This video tutorial I will cover off method of ZoneId class. Here I have defined the class ZoneId demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I am calling off method of ZoneId class and passing the ZoneId in string format. This method returns ZoneId object. Here I am calling now method of local date time class and passing ZoneId. This method returns current date and time based on this ZoneId. Here I am calling off method of ZoneId class and passing ZoneId in string format. This method returns ZoneId object. Then I am calling now method of local date time class and passing ZoneId. This method returns current date and time based on this ZoneId.